Right, so this is what your day looks like today. So I'm going to start it off, that's me. So we're going to talk about the grant, talk about the actual event today, talk about the science, technology, the engineering and the mathematics, and then we're going to talk about the race to the line itself. So as I say, welcome to Burnaston. We make cars here. Does anyone know what we make here? A Toyota, well done. So higher or lower? TM UK, Burnaston manufactures 70,000 Corollas a year. Higher or lower? So hold it up, hold them up in the air. Hold them right up. Right, well done. Well done. So we build 94,000 Corollas a year here. So what does it mean? So what does the Race to the Line mean? So it's a 3-year program, so it's under STEM, which is science, technology, engineering and mathematics programs. So this is the first one, so year 7, you're going to be building a rocket-powered ship today. We'll then be returning next year to create autonomous vehicles, and then year 9, you will be designing a hovercraft. So just a few bits to do. So why does today matter? You've worked really hard to get here, so congratulations, well done. But it's not just about winning, it literally is going to be about the experiences that you take from today. So we're going to get going, but before we do that, who's going to build the fastest car? Who's going to build the fastest car? Who's going to win? So they're going to win, because I heard them first. Who's going to win? Right, okay.
First of all, we'll announce the team, the best team.
So, greatest team spirit was awarded to Formula One. Where are you? Well done. Well done. Well done, girls. Do you want
Fantastic,
to,
yes. Somebody
well
take...
Right, so the Engineering Innovation Award, agreed upon by all the judges, goes to the Home Hellfires. Right.
Oh, well done, boys. Well done, well done. Well done. Well done to you. Yeah, somebody take the certificate. Have your picture taken with your certificate.
Okay, the award for the most creative team. That goes to Minion 60.
Oh, well done.
Well done, team.
Congratulations.
Well done.
Congratulations.
Right, so we're into the main event now, so this is where, what you're really interested in, yeah? For third place, drum roll please. Goes to Bob. Come on up. Come on, Team Bob.
Come on, Team Bob. You take that.
Well done.
Well done, well done, guys.
Very well done.
Well done.
Okay, so in joint second place, second equal, we have two teams. The first of the teams, drum roll, is Manchester United. And in second equal, with Manchester United, you can all come at the same time, is Team NOT.
You guys are Manchester United, yeah? Great job. Fantastic job.
Stand back to fit you all in.
Come and grab your
certificate. Well done. Fantastic work.
So the winning speed was 44 miles an hour. Two teams first equal were the most improved JDC 2C and Lamborghini Destroyer 2. Congratulations, coming up.
Perfect. Which team are you? Perfect.
Where's the rest of your team?
Well done, guys. That was amazing.
It was just you?
Improved. Amazing.
Right, come on in here.
Working at a job in Toyota is very much more than perhaps just selling cars and fixing cars. There's so much that you can do with science, technology, engineering and maths. And I think you guys have you've inspired me today to go back and do a better job tomorrow. So well done to all of you. And I'd just like to give you all a final round of applause because you're amazing.